Video we will see how to fix Cash app login not working. So guys, first of all check your internet connection and the Cash app server. Many login issues stem for connectivity problem or the temporary server outage with the Cash app. First of all, verify your Wi-Fi or the mobile data connection is active and stable. Try to opening the web browser on another app to confirm the internet access. Then restart your router or the mobile device to refresh the connection and visit the official Cache app status page using the web browser and check for the reported outage or ongoing maintenance. Then guys, clear cache app cache and the data. Corrupted or outdated cached file can often prevent the app from function correctly. So you go to your device setting, application, navigate to the app and the application management, find and select the cache app, tap the option on storage and the cache, and select the option of clear cache to remove the temporary files. Optionally select clear data and clear the storage for the complete reset, and then relaunch the cache app and attempt to log in. Also update Cache app to the latest version. So outdated app version can often contain bugs that can lead to login failure or other functionality issues. So open your device app store, search for the Cache app and locate the official Cache app application. If an update button is available, tap it to download the latest version and wait for the update to complete and the app to install. Then launch the update Cache app and try to log in again. Then reset your Cache app pin or password. Open the Cache app on your device. On the login screen, tap the option of forget pin or troubleshooting sign in. Enter your registered phone number or the email address, then follow the on-screen prompts to receive the verification code. Enter the verification code and create a new strong pin or the password to your account to try to log in with your newly set credentials. Then contact with the support team. At the end, if it is not working, so guys, you contact with the support team. For this, go to your home screen, scroll the support and click the option of something else and describe your login issue and wait for the response for the Cache app to support the team to follow the instruction. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.